Hello everyone! This is me again, Mrs. Kim Blake. And of course, my husband Corey. Welcome to my vlog. This is my year 3. Hello everyone! We're here at Molito. It's dinner time. And then there's Polgy May. Polgy May! We ordered, what's this? Nachos. We're here at the farmery. Excuse me, sister. The farmery. In 8 I know. And Molito, Alabang. And then we got some potato wedges. So, we're gonna eat lang. We're gonna try the nachos. Kasi na yung base. Soup base. Ay, my hair.
Baka matapunan pa dyan.
Yung pagpagit nila eh.
Potato wedges. We're gonna try. There's a dip pala. There's anong dip?
Hindi alam namin din.
Basta ko naman yung mayo.
It's good. And then the nachos. What's that? Jalapeno?
Ay, hindi. Pero hindi mo na muli pa. Nalimutan ka sa Hindi ba yung sa halapan?
Guys, I also ordered shrimp based soup. There. So now we're gonna pour this.
Croutons. Croutons yan, di ba?
Croutons. There. And then make a taste test. So we're gonna try the soup with the croutons.
Saan ka park ka?
It's really good. You know. The soup tastes like shrimp. No seafood.
Hindi ba yung paulit na? Mulit na halapan yun.
Okay, we're gonna wait for our main course. Guys, I ordered Coke, regular Coke with ice. Because, you know naman. There. It's good on any food. Partnered with any food. And straw. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Kumami na kayo na. Ako.
Lahat na lang yung potato. Ano bang ginawa niyo?
Hindi yung size ni mami.
We ordered lots of potato. And all the,
Kung ano natin.
huh?
Sarap.
All the,
Lasa. Sarap. Galing.
all the, dish made with potato. So this is what I ordered.
Pag-gisa-gisa.
Still eating.
Gisa-gisa.
Gagawa tayo niyan ta.
Guys, this is my mom's order. So this is the farmery burger. Look. There's egg,
Has
bacon, bacon,
And then
grass-fed beef patty,
beef patty.
and then cabbages and tomatoes.
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
It's lettuce.
Lettuce. And then bacon and then eggs. So there. And then it has a fries naman, partnered with fries. Ma'am, take a bite. So that's the first order. We're gonna wait for our order, but this is the rest of the food na. And then the rib eye, tenderloin. Thank you po. This is steak salpicao. So mine is rib eye and my sister's is
Tenderloin.
tenderloin. So we have the same order. And then partnered with rice. Di ba Paul Gimay? Shh, shh, shh. There's Paul Gimay. Like there's
Steak fried rice.
fried rice.
So literally.
So our orders are complete. We're gonna eat. So guys, we're gonna eat. I'm gonna feed Polly some of the nachos. Come on, girl. Mabandahan-dahan yung ngipin mo. So we're gonna eat na. I'm gonna try I'm gonna eat the steak salpicao. Of course, there's fried garlic. No, I'm not gonna try. Wait lang, girl. Ay, may dog. I gave it to Johnson. And now we're gonna try it. Ah? Gusto mo na ba? Oh, sige.
Yung mas pork na rin.
I'm gonna try one. This is a cube.
Pakita pa, try mo daw ako yung steak.
Uy, wag. May timpla yan.
Alam yung beef? No, sabi ko wag timplahan.
This is the Wagyu. Ay, no, not Wagyu. The cubes. Gusto mo pa? Nasaan yung dog? So we're gonna try. It's good.
Hmm?
Pwede ka mag-produce sa
Ano, kahit saan man pwede mong pagkabe. Ang problema kasi,
Hindi lahat nila pwede.
So,
Yung salsa.
salsa pala, no?
Kaya pala.
it's good. Partnered with rice. Wait lang po. I'm feeding Polly din. No seasoning or anything.
Ay, electric na yan. Oo nga.
Alam mo, namin nakikita ko yung video sa mga social media na yung stationary bike. Yung pang-gym na bike. Tapos may sounds. Parang medyo mo sa isang part.
Guys, I'm gonna finish the food. This is really good, and thank you for watching.